So ito yung boot nila.
Hello guys, and right now we are here at Maax. Actually, ano na to eh. Parang ito yung bridge going to SMX. So, Maax going to Arena, then going to SMX. So right now we are here for the PTA Travel Expo. No? This is one of the most anticipated travel expo in the Philippines. I believe this is the biggest because it occupies yung function room sa tsaka halls. Then good deals then as well so for the travel packages, hotels and flights. So tara at pumunta tayo. Silipin natin kung may makuha tayo for our 2026 trip. So tara na guys.
So guys, finally we're done getting this ticket. This is a free ticket from BPI. So ito yung boot nila. So if you're here and you have BPI cards, regardless kung debit or credit card, just go here sa booth nila, which is located at hall number 2. No? Sa hall number 2.
Kita lang dito card?
So
BPI
it's
card?
ID lang po, valid ID and then BPI cards. Yeah.
BPI lang.
So yeah, don't forget to claim your free ticket because if wala kang BPI, then you have to pay for your entrance fee, no? So yeah, abante muna tayo. I'll talk to you on that side. So medyo maraming tao dito sa BPI. Medyo marami yung tao. Pero I guess mas marami yung tomorrow, no? Because tomorrow is Sunday and then we're expecting high volume of visitors tomorrow. Actually, influx eh. I guess because right now it's very ironic na ganito lang yung mga visitors ngayon. Because last year when we visited the PTA, ganito ring oras, medyo maraming tao. So, let's start with... Guys, we're about to go inside na and I guess we don't have time to to book online and you're free this weekend. Just visit this PTA. So I've been visiting this PTA for quite some time. So I started visiting noong 2021. No? So nakuha na natin yung ticket natin. That is for free doon sa BPI booth. If you have BPI again, just claim it. That is 100% free. Now, behind these doors are flight deals, discounted room accommodations, itinerary na included na doon sa tour package, and then also both international and domestic tours, no? So aside from that, yung mga travel offers sila dito mas mababa compared to online because with this travel expo, katayap niya si BPI. So BPI is offering parang 0% interest and then also installment for all tour packages. And then after that, if na-reach yun 6,500 or 5,500, I'm using the reference noong last year na PTA wherein meron silang mga freebies na pinapamigay, no? Now, if you've been thinking about traveling both international or domestic flights, this is for you guys. Nag-start na siya yesterday, that is February 6 up until February 8. Doors open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So, let's go inside na guys. I guess this one is for exit ata. Let's try to go inside here. Okay. Yep, thank you. So we're inside na. So as stated kanina, it seems like wala pa masyadong tao ngayon. But look at these promotions, you know. These are the promotions na makikita niyo dito sa event na to. You're going to ask me, this is way parang cheap compared dun sa mga pinopromote online. Where in fact, makikita nyo dito, may group visa na nakasama sa ibang trip and then also mura din yung mga like this one, this Singapore. This Singapore is quite expensive I guess, but baka may kasama siyang Malaysia so we just have to ask. But this Seoul, Korea, this one is for parang free na yung visa, no? So let's take a look at the other booth here. So nakasanayan ko ng bumisita dito every year because mas nakakatipid ako dito compared to other travel expo, no? On top of the mga promotions dito sa event na to, katayap nila si BPI. So ayun, tas may mga installment, no? So katulad nun, if ang gagastusin mo for your tour package is 33,000 and then na-reach mo yung parang target TBPI para maging qualified ka doon sa 0% interest, then you can apply for a installment na walang interest. So that's good, no? Tapos on top of that, may mga freebies pa. So yan, may mga cruises din dito. These are the cruises. Diba? If you're planning for your next summer getaway, and then even Europe as well, halos kompleto dito, no? Gusto ko dito yung mga hotel because ang bababa ng mga promotional nila dito. Like, for an instance, if you're booking a accommodation dito sa Seda, which is part of the Ayala Hotels, online siguro 10,500, but if tama and ganun pa rin yung ginagamit nilang promotion, you can get the Seda one night in BGC for first low 7,500 pesos. So yeah, that's one. Tapos katulad nito, they have Dubai visa only for 6,750, so very cheap. Then also Danang, Hue An, and then other parts of Vietnam first loss 38,888. Yes, may Korea din sila na $499. Okay, so that's good. This is MPQ Travel and Tours, no? We have Egypt as well, that is $2,988. Chile, Hokkaido as well. Yeah. So let's move para basically lahat naman ng kakailanganin mo nandito na sa Travel Expo, and then if tama rin yung assumption ko, meron ding event doon sa taas which is part of the PTAA. So this is both local and international. So for the airlines, nandito rin si Qantas at si Jetstar, no? They have booth and then they have this promotion. So just for reference, check nyo na lang itong mga promotions nila. I hope na screenshot yung part na yun. We're just going to move forward and let's see kung ano pa yung mga travel agency na nag-participate for this year, PTAA. And then, if you want na to have a travel safety, and then kumbaga kahit paano is secured ka when you travel outside of the Philippines, and we have here Pacific Cross. So basically, they're offering travel insurance, no? For this event, parang 20%, no? Naka 20% sila, so don't forget, I believe this is located at hall number 3. So yun, yung pack, mamaya balikan natin yung pack. Now we are here in front of Korean booth, no? This is Korean booth, no? So you can see this part is the Jeju Air, no? So if you want to travel to Korea, regardless kung Incheon and Jeju, so they are offering good deals as well, diba? Then here, this is the KEBAC, or the Korean Visa Application Center. They'll be assisting you. So this is the premium lounge for your reference, guys. Don't forget to take a screenshot of this. Then also they have here brochures as well, on top of the one-on-one assistance sila, no? So they'll guide you here if you have questions, and if they can answer, they'll be more than willing to assist you, no? That is why ang mga embassy dito, they're establishing booth here to secure yung mga tourists nila, no, for 2026. And then on top of that, you have here creative activities as well. Yeah. So don't forget to visit this one. We have Japan booths as well. So you have mass of different tourist spots here in Japan. So yun, hindi ko pinapromote, I'm not part of the content creator that is promoting Japan, but Japan is very good, no? As you can see, mga activities din sila as well here. So just for reference, Here are the just for reference lang guys. So may mga resources din sila, that's mga freebies na pinapamigay if you follow those instructions. So basically parang you will going to scan the QR code, then after that just fill it out, put some inputs into it, then you have here kukuha. So here is so yeah, say activities, we have brochures as well.
Pwede ba? Pwede lang, no? Sige, so, do you want to use your chance to answer already? Or you want to get the clue from your team?
So yeah,
Clue, sa clue lang yung team.
we just have to check with other booth, no? So, daanan na natin yung Korean booth. Actually, Korea, very competitive every year. Malaki talaga yung booth nila, no? May on top of the parang activities and pavilion map nila, meron silang information booth, which is this one. Dito ka magke-claim ng mga mapalagunan mo doon sa mga games, no? So, yun. So, yeah, di ba? Parang ka lang nagpunta rin ng Korea. So, let's check also yung mga different parts of this pavilion. Ayan. So yeah, another booth here. I believe this one has activities as well. Marami. So marami lang yung tao. Medyo marami lang tao din. Another booth here. Going to, you know, prepare. So just prepare yourself as ang dami talagang napupunta dito sa Korean booth. Located at Hall 3 ng ano. So mamaya pupunta tayo dito sa PAP. Let's check kung may mga promotion sila for this year. So, guess, pero naman, tingnan nyo, saan ba to? May ganito akong pinuntahan, yung last trip ko sa Japan. This is located at parang northern area of Japan. Ay, Tokyo. So, yeah. I will try to recall kung anong place yun. So, tara, tikot pa tayo. So, Attic Tours. So, ayun, kung gusto magpalakad ng visa, kilala na rin sila sa industry. Sila Taiwan, oh. Taiwan also is very competitive in terms of, you know, building up the booth, no? So, yeah. May mga pa-games din sila. Good things kasi sa mga booth dito ng mga ibang country, they have games, and then once na ma-accomplish mo yon, you can win a lot of, you know, freebies, including yung mga free flights. So, if pagkakataon mo manalo, then, you know, let's try your luck. Yan yung mga freebies nila. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Hall 4. I hope naririnig niyo pa rin ako. And we're just looking for other travel agencies, no? Because mamaya baka may makita pa tayo. I hope nag-participate ngayon yung Malaysia, because last year parang wala booth dito yung Malaysia. Hong Kong, that's one. So check na lang natin mamaya, no? Yeah, this one. Check natin to. This one is a cruise. These are the promotions nila. Sure to take a screenshot of these promotions.
Drop by the Hong Kong Pavilion here at the Travel Tour Expo 2026.
Then you have here AboX Travel and Tours.
Join our fun and activity style.
Diba? They have promotions as well. So let's take a look.
Exclusive welcome to
Take a look at this promotion.
By simply presenting the official
Diba? Yeah, they have Dalat, Vietnam,
We'll explore
Da Nang,
take
as
and
well.
win.
Hanoi,
Today,
Turkey. Mga domestic din sila na promotions. Here are the domestic packages na available dito sa AboX. Cebu, Boracay, Batanes, Cagayan de Oro, Puerto Princesa, and Siquijor.
Final na ba yun? Like,
So, I hope I managed to, somehow mag-stick doon sa camera cause masyado na siyang magalaw. Medyo marami yung tao dito. Let's try to, to check yung other side ditong hall 4 cause marami pa tayong makikita dito. Other travel agency, it's Travel M8 Express & Co. No. Yan, another travel agencies as well. Express City Tours and Travel. Then you have here UHI, Universal Holidays Incorporated. No, so these are the visas wherein you're going to scan the QR code and then apply online. So yeah. So another travel agencies, this one is CGC, Cosmo Getaway Chain. So I guess parang ano sila, no? Mas marami sa kanila yung mga local tours. Maynala. They have Taipei, Dubai as well, El Nido, Bacolod, Boracay. This is very cheap. Then they also have here Caticlan. This one is one way base fare. One way lang. Parang hindi to tour package. This one is parang flight to. So CDO as well. Ayun yung mga travel date na available.
Ikaw wala pa ng date?
Caticlan and then Tacloban. So may mga travel agency dito na pinapromote naman nila is ticket, one-way ticket. But we're just going to somehow try to look for packages because yun naman talaga yung reason pa bakit tayo pumunta rito.
Hindi siya para sa Skyway. Normal.
Yep. So, umikot pa tayo. Dami pa rito. We also have here another.
Sa Australia po!
Yep. So we also have another travel agency here. So this one is another travel agency. It's Velga Travel. No? Let's take a look at some of the promotions sila.
Ano kasi, madami daw.
So ito yung mga promotions na available nila, no? Oh, Europe. 10-day Europe. So, ayan. Screenshot nyo na lang, guys. If klaro sa inyo. Kung magkano, parang walang price, no? Ay, hindi. Ito. Liit. Naglalaro sa 3,800 to 4,000 US dollar. Pan Pacific. This is also well-known travel agency. So, ayan. May booth din sila dyan. So most of the travel agencies here are assisting you naman talaga, no? They will, give you time to somehow try to arrange your itinerary if gusto mo ng customize. Pero in my case kasi dun sa mga na-experience ko before, fix na kasi yung mga yung itinerary nyo, no? So hindi mo na kayang baguhin yan. Siguro ang gagawin mo na lang is check mo na lang yung mga possibilities. Kung kunwari 6 days ka lang sa Europe or 7 days ka lang sa Japan. Ayun, so parang gano'n lang. Parang aayusin nyo na lang. Pero yung mismong susundan na itinerary, wala na, hindi na mababago yan. So, check pa natin doon. Balik tayo sa Hall 1 at saka Hall 2. Kasi wala tayong masyado nakita mga hotels. So dito sa Hall 3 at saka 4, medyo marami na yung mga tao. Siguro nakadagdag din because most of the participating country or tourism board ng mga countries are here sa Hall 3 and 4. So yeah. But let's see kung ano yung mga pwede natin makakuha. Like we're going to, plan to have a staycation sa mga Ayala hotels, Mega World hotels, and even yung mga middle class hotels. Then let's see then if may mga participating na makikita tayo ditong hotel na naka-base sa Palawan and then Boracay. Because usually mix up tong baba. Then yung mga ibang maliliit na travel agencies nasa taas. Pero most of the travel agencies na nasa taas are for local. So let's check it out. So this one is MPQ Travel and Tours. This one. Di na natin isa-isayin because mamaya dito tour to kayo doon sa top. Daming tao. Yan. Skynet Travel Corporation. So, yan mga promotions nila.
Hey, sir.
Yep.
Thank you.
So this is TAC Coron Resorts. So they have promotions as well here. It's 7,499.50 for 3 days and 2 nights. This is parang ano na, cheap na to. For me this one is cheap. So nandito na tayo sa hall 2, di ba ang bilis? Then also nagpa-participate din dito ang Enchanted Kingdom. So don't forget to visit Enchanted Kingdom if you're here. Discovery Hotel is also one of the hotels na nagpa-participate dito sa event na to. I guess, hindi kayo maubusan ng mga hotels dito. May mga promotions din sila. Let's see if makita natin yung mga ibang flyers nila, no?
Yung...
Ito. This one is Coron. Take a look at this one. This one is Discovery Coron. So this is RG promotions. Not bad. Not bad. Mura talaga. Ito, pulutin ko na. So, mura talaga siya. Because, ang Discovery, if I'm not mistaken, kung walang promotion, almost 20,000. Diba? But here, then, if you're, into traveling and don't have enough time, you're not familiar with booking online, then PAL is also here. So, yep. So, based on my experience, mura talaga siya. As in, we're just parang talking about 40% off. So, here. So, this is PAL. Okay. So, nandito rin si AirAsia. Mamaya, bisitahin natin si AirAsia. Ayan. Another booth here. Papa-assist na lang kayo. And then, ayun, hawak-hawak ni Kuya. Merong nag-a-assist naman. Then, you just have to scan the QR code to view the promotions na offer dito sa PTA. Then, if your question will be like said, ito bang mga promotions dito are applicable online? Hindi po. Exclusive lang po yung mga promotions dito sa event na to. So, for you to be able to secure those promotions, you just have to visit this PTA. So, this is the AirAsia. If tama rin yung input ko, parang kukuha ka ng number. But the problem is, wala akong nakita ditong guard na nag-a-assist. So, yeah. Then, may mangilan-ngilan sila mga, ano nga pa to? Mag-a-assist sa'yo dito. So, parang customer service representative. Ayan. AirAsia. So, ayan sila. Guys, nga pala, if we're talking about, let's say, flights here sa Expo, mura naman. Pero kapag hapon ka na ng Sunday, yung last day na parang 3 hours na lang sila bago sila magsarado, most flights na good deals are already taken. So, busta siya. Now, ang payo ko sa inyo, if ang pupuntahan nyo rito is for, kung securing flight deals, then might as well consider na pumunta kayo dito na maaga. No?
Complete yet. The guest is staying is waiting.
Dami pa rin.
Please. You.
Dami pa rin mga tao.
New complete Juna.
Punta tayo sa Hong Kong.
We're hiding someone below. Someone like you.
Puro mo.
You. Cars are open. Consider couple
Spontaneous naman yung travel, natin pag-ikot natin dito sa event.
see journeys.
Wala tayong sinusundan na
Data way
at and mainly
you.
because of, somehow we just wanted to see the engagement of the visitors.
May mga awards tayo, mga nag-guide po tayo. May tasting tayo mamaya, so may mga prizes to give away. So, look out for further announcement. Thank you very much, Sapporo, for that wonderful game. Ang daming nanalo ng prize. Thank you, arigatou gozaimasu. And this is Visit Japan Pavilions. We'll be back in a short while.
We are looking for
So right now we are here at
doing our Chinese dog making workshop right now. Swing by the Hong Kong Pavilion immediately to add a hand-made charm to your day.
let's
This is a
take a look at
fantastic
this.
hands-on cultural experience for all ages. To secure your place, look
So maraming
or they're all gone.
even dito sa Hong
Don't
Kong.
miss this final talent to read your power. Come join the bunch.
If I'm not mistaken, parang pangatlo sila last year
And you're the
or
next set of 10 participants to join
Parang-
our Chinese dog making workshop right now. Swing by the Hong Kong Pavilion.
so just have to participate on the activities. Tapos may mga pa-freebies din sila, no? So here are the books. Siya? Diba? Kasi siya, participating on the activities, then after that, maybe, you can win some. So, this is the activity redemption booth, no? So, ito yung mga instructions. And, if also,
Our Chinese
better than to visit because they have flyers ng mga tourist spots sa Hong Kong.
See many of you getting hands-on with this beautiful cultural craft.
So,
Well, our current session is now.
I want to sa redemption,
The fun will stop
yung
here.
mga flyers
I
din.
invite you to stay tuned.
So, I guess it's a win situation because
our
if something ka, manalo ka ng magagandang freebies, then also securing flyers, then pagkapunta ka na sa Hong Kong, you can map out kung saan ka pupunta. Kung ano yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng itinerary mo. So, check natin yung other side ng Hong Kong booth. No? So, ito yung mga other freebies nila. So, may mga flyers din as well. Bagay nga mo. Yan. Diba? Interactive. Yung mga games din nila are very, digital. Punta naman tayo doon sa hotels again. So, we have here Emirates, guys. This is Emirates. So, kung ito yung mga trip nyong puntahan, sakyan. For your trip, then this is for you. So, this is the booth. So, hindi ko makuha na close up yung promotion sila. But, I'll try to manage. So, this is the booth ng Emirates. Yan. Screenshot na lang, guys. Okay na sila.
Basta may name.
Screenshot na lang, guys.
So cute.
So yun. Then also papakita ko sa inyo yung pinaka-view if you're here sa Hall 3, in between of Hall 3 and Hall 2. So yung 360 view. So this is the PTA, no? So medyo marami na yung tao. I guess yung mga nakita natin kanina sa labas, hindi yun yung actual visitors, no? Because aminin ko man sa hindi, mahirap talagang mag-ikot. Lalo na if magsa-start ka sa baba. So siguro some of them choose to check the function rooms yung local, then saka sila bumaba dito sa international. Pero ako kasi talaga, inuna ko talaga yung baba. Because if settled na ako, may mga locals din naman dito, then that's good. Diba? Itong La Carmela de Boracay. So guys, pa-screenshot na lang itong promotion nila Carmela de Boracay. So nandito na tayo sa Top Travel and Tours. So tingnan natin yung mga nagpa-flash sa screen nila ng mga promotions. Magaganda yung mga China nila. Nilapitan lang tayo doon sa may mismong tarpaulin nila. At least doon, halos lahat ng countries na may promo sila. Excuse me po. So, here. So, yun yung mga promotions sila. Singapore, Malaysia. Lapit lang tayo ng onte. Yan, Singapore, Malaysia, Bangkok. Singapore. As well, they have Busan, Bali. Ayan. Then, Tokyo, Osaka. And also, Avatar, Hong Kong, Beijing, Shanghai, Taiwan, Tokyo, Indochina, Danang, then Xiamen, Chongqing, Chengdu, Chongqing, Chengdu, Osaka, then Tokyo. Medyo labas na tayo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung pinaka-view ng PAP. So, para may idea kayo kung gaano kalaki yung booth nila dito. Ayan o. Napakarami nilang mga customer service representative. Then, ganyan kalaki yung signage. This is located at hall number 3.
Ano sir?
So, ayun. Don't you worry because for sure, ma-assist naman nila kayo dahil napakarami nilang mga flyers, customer service representative, pwede mag-assistain. So right now, ang gagawin na lang natin is that we're going to the nearest exit and then, you know, sabihin ko yung mga important notations ko. So, ganun kami ng tao. Tingnan nyo guys. So, this is the Hotels and Convention SM. So, basically, let's try to take a look at some of the promotions nila. But as you can see, we have here up to 50% off. Let's try to check other hotels. So, you have 2 seasons. If I'm not mistaken, parang ano to eh, Boracay. So, check natin yung mga rates. Ay, Coron. This is Coron.
Ito. Diyan naman ang standard infusion, daily breakfast, 3 days in night accommodation, and natin na transfer. Walang tour, walang hotel lang.
Yan siya. Let's take a look at the other hotels here. Mega World as well. Kita na ba natin itong Mega World kanina? Parang hindi pa, no? So, check natin. Wala silang mga naka-publish dito na rate or promotional rate nila for this event. Ito. This one is Eastwood Richmond Hotel. Yun siya. Di ba nakita niyo yung difference? It's 6,100 kapag for this event, may breakfast na yan. Tapos kung room lang, 4,500. So talagang mura nga talaga. Ito naman yung Ayala lang. So let's take a look at the ano. I usually choose Seda Hotel for my stay, whether sa Cagayan de Oro or dito sa Manila. So ito yung mga promotions sila. So, screenshot na lang guys. So rates. And yan. Ayala Hotels. Diba? Not bad. Medyo mag-ingat lang kayo guys dito sa event kasi masyadong marami yung tao. And honestly, hindi mo alam kung may mga pickpocket, but you just have to, always keep your guard up because dami rin talaga nakakapasok dito na wala naman talaga interest. So, heads up lang guys. So, ito, Astoria Hotel. O yan, may booth sila dyan. So, may mga promotions din sila, but let's try these Sunlight Hotels and Resorts. Tapos may mga pa-games din sila. So, may mga pa-games din sila. So, yeah, don't forget to visit this one. Wala namang mawala if you're going to ask for assistance lalo na. You have also Akasha for the event promotions. But it's 3,888. But if my breakfast for 2, it's 4,888. Yeah, very good. Because if you're going to book sa Akasha online, probably nasa 4,500 yan. Diba? Then you have here Crimson. Yan yung Crimson. Yung mga rates sila. This is only for this event, itong PTA. So Mactan, 28,000, 30,000 for Boracay. Then for the West Hotels, they have Manila, Clark, Tagaytay. Very cheap. Very cheap. You also have here Las Casas. Pero check muna natin tong area na to. This one. Na-intriga ako dito. Maraming tao dito. Ano kaya ito?
Thank you.
Saan to, sir?
Sa Pagkabumas, Stephen Jewel.
Boracay? Yeah. Okay. Sige. So these are the event promotion.
Per hour.
So take a screenshot of this event promotion. Yeah. Thank you, sir. So this is Moving Peak. Moving Peak. So it's Moving Peak. Located at Hall 1 ng SMX. So let's take a look at the other booth here. Manila Hotel. Dito rin sila. Sa Isabela to, no? Isabel.
The hybrid actually. The focus kami yung kasi.
Eurotel, Astrotel. So nandito rin. The Form.
Meron sa nilibak.
Diet. UV Hotel is located at Boracay. So if you have budget, don't forget to Ito yung mga promotions nila.
Nag-break ko ako.
So, share crowd din pala sila.
Las Casas.
Bataan. Diba? Ganda talaga ng ano. Consistent talaga. Ganito talaga yung tsura. No? Boot nila. Excuse me. Ma'am, can I have the oh, sure. Thank you. So, mayroon silang mga deals dito for Las Casas. It's 4, 6, and 5, 5. For 2 person. Accommodation, guided tour, meet and tour, access. And they also have here day tour sa Las Casas. It's 999 for entrance. If gusto nyo ng tour guide, beach access at bus ride. So, it's 1499. Kung talaga since after college, gusto talaga pumunta dyan sa Las Casas. Because lahat ng mga historical shooting dyan ginagawa sa Patang. Tingnan natin to. Mga hotels din dito. Dorian Beach, Boracay Hotel, Diamond Hotel, Blue Water, Suliman. Hello. Saan po located, sir? Itong mga hotel.
Cebu, Mactan, and sa Milan is Maslo, tapos sa Panglao po.
Okay. So here are the promotional rate dito sa event na to. So don't forget to visit this Blue Water Sumilon. This is located at Hall 1. Okay, thank you po.
Salamat ha.
I have 3P here. Travel by ship dito. They also have this hotel, Charlie's, and Nido. So yeah, let's check yung mga iba pang travel agency. Baka may hindi pa tayo napuntahan. Hello guys, and right now, pa-exit na tayo sa hall number 2. And if you're available during this weekend, this February 7 to 8, you still have time to visit this PTA. Again, this is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, travel expo in the Philippines. And then, occupy niya yung halls at saka function room. Free ka if you have BPI cards, regardless on debit or credit card yan. So, just maximize the freebies as well ng mga booth, flight deals, hotel accommodation, and then travel packages are also available here. We're talking about 40 to 30%. So yeah, so that's all for today, guys, and see you in the next travel vlog. Bye-bye.